Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Hello guys, this is me. Yeah. So guys, we're gonna do a trio triple combo now. All right, so please remember to do please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. I always keep looking there, but I know the camera is right here, right? Not my big idea. So guys, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. All right, we're gonna make some healthy, delicious strong back porridge. All right, Jamaican style. All right, so here goes. All right my peeps, so here I have some water. All right, I'm gonna let this come to a boil. All right, so leave that there. So yeah, put 4 to 6 cup of water is good. All right, and me never tell you no what me I gonna make it, you know guys. Yeah, we're gonna make some plantain. Although plantain look beat up, it's still good. All right, so we're gonna make some plantain oats peanut porridge. Usually sometimes you can put a little bit of flour for thickening it up, make it get thick and nice, but no, we're gonna put some healthy oats. Yeah, good for your cholesterol level, lower your blood pressure and all of that. Lots of protein, lots of fiber, lots of iron, super healthy, super food. All right, so we're gonna blend up everything. All right guys, and the trick to this one now guys, I'm gonna show you. I'm not gonna throw away the plantain skin. You're gonna wash it really good. One time my husband friend, he's in America, and he said, you know, I went to visit Denzel and Denzel made me some plantain porridge with the skin. And I said, me cuss out my husband, you know. Me say, what you talk about? No, come to me with that, you know. Somebody can make plantain porridge and put the skin in there, you're mad. And he said, you know what, it's a healthier choice because lots of the iron and all of the mineral and stuff, the goodness in the plantain skin. So most of what you're eating guys, lots of the vitamins and the mineral and all of that, the goodness, the iron, it's in the skin. So anyhow, we're not going to use the whole of this, we're going to use half of it. All right, I may have some peanut, there's on some oats. All right, let's get going. All right guys, I'm back, and as I said, I'm not going to use all of it. Okay, we're going to use about this amount. All right, so cut off the bottom, the hard part there. All right, and just cut it up. And because you're going to blend it, you want to cut it up again, right? Just cut it up in small pieces so you can blend it. We're going to use 1 cup of oats. Something like that. All right guys, so we're going to put the plantain, half of green plantain with the skin and all. Okay. You can just make straight plantain or straight oats or straight peanut. You can make oats and peanut, plantain and peanut, plantain and oats. 1 cup of oats. You can add about a cup or half cup of peanut. I'm just going to go in with half cup because I'm not going to make a lot. Alright guys, but if you're making a lot, add 1 cup of peanut. So that look like about 3/4 cup. But anyhow, add to your liking. Alright. Alright guys, I have some water here. I'm gonna put about 2 cups of water, something like so, and we're just gonna blend away. And I put it on nuts so it blends. All right guys, you're just gonna blend it until it's creamy. All right, peanut and everything I gotta blend out. See, creamy. All right, I'm gonna tip a little bit of salt in the water. All right, And I'm gonna put a little bit of coconut milk. Put to your liking. You can put about 1/3 to half cup. All right. I'm just gonna let this come to a boil now, and then we're gonna add our stuff. Let me go ahead and I'm gonna put some cinnamon in the water in the meantime, just to flavor it up a little, about 1/4 teaspoon. A little bit of nutmeg, just a smidge of rose water, like a tip. We're gonna put some vanilla, about 2 teaspoons. Oh God, that looked like a teaspoon and a tablespoon. See the goodness here, guys? All right, now this one side. Oh, this something smells so good. Go ahead and pour out everything all at once. And then you're gonna constantly stir it. All right? Because you don't want it to lump or clump up, you know, get lumpy. If you leave it, the bottom will get lumpy, and then when you're ready, we'll let it lump up. So stir this until when it's come to a boil, you know. Any woman can make them porridge for your husband. Boy. Long hours, satisfaction guaranteed. The husband not gonna know where the boyfriend now left. I come back for the porridge. Yeah. Guys, I do it like this. The other way around. If you boil it first and then you blend it, you call it punch. Okay? Remember to stir the sides like this, guys, and the bottom. Okay? And then when you see it start to come to a boil, you can cover it up and make it simmer. Sometimes you can make it really thin, you can make it thick. It's up to you. If you find out it's too thick, you can add some milk or some water. And if it's too thin, you can blend up a little bit more oats and put in there. But when we make it, guys, it's always too thick, so I have to add milk or water. A gumption this, glamity. Guys, my hand tired. See it there? Okay, we're good now, guys. We get it, and this is how I want it. I want it thick and nice. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna turn the stove down, way down, and just let it cook. We're gonna come sweeten it after. All right, guys. If you want, and you're there Jamaica, you can put some cinnamon leaf in there, a piece of cinnamon stick. I have cinnamon stick, but I already add the powder, so put whatever you want in. So remember to turn the stove down and just cover this. I'm gonna let it cook. Let it cook for about half an hour to 45 minutes. Just let it simmer. Leave it, let it simmer. Yeah, so this is where we're at. Make sure your stove turned on nice. If you don't like condensed milk, guys, you can sweeten it maybe with some like coconut sugar, or you put some almond milk and, you know, sweeten it with whatever you have. But I'm gonna give this another 15 minutes and it should be good. Alright, guys, if you don't want it this thick, just put some milk, some almond milk or some 2%. But I want mine to be thick. Alright, it's ready. We're gonna turn the stove off. I'm gonna put some condensed milk in it. I'm gonna put about 1/3 cup. As I said before, guys, put whatever you like in it. And then you can put some brown sugar or some granulated sugar. Sweeten it to taste, but I don't want mine too sweet because I'm gonna drink a lot. Guys, I have a little bit of brown sugar, right? And I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons. That will do. I'm not gonna put more. If you want it really sweet, go ahead, sweeten it to taste. All right. If you're there Jamaica, guys, and you have condensed milk, put some Lasco almond, some Lasco vanilla. Ooh, boy, oh boy. Yes, now we're talking. All right, guys, and this is it. We're just gonna serve up some. Make sure you mix it out good. I have a nice little bowl, and we're just gonna serve up some. You see how thick and nice it is. Pour some here. Usually, Jamaicans serve up these porridge like with some bread, hard dough bread, or 2 tough crackers or some water crackers. Even fried dumpling, whatever you want, or drink it just like that. Sometimes when a man make the peanut porridge and you come from work Friday or Saturday evening time, my God, just grab a little cup for $30 or $50, maybe $100. A long time days them the guys, so we don't know how much it be now, maybe 100 or 2. All right, and that's what I'm serving up. And that's it. Me I forgot charge before, guys. So I have some bread here. You can just put some butter if you want. All right, and this is it. This is my yummy and delicious Jamaican strong back. Yeah, green plantain peanut oats punch. All right, guys, I have to charge my phone a little bit. Anyhow, I'm gonna taste it and show you. Okay, before it cool, it must be cool by this. Guys, let's taste it before we think get cold. I like when my porridge hot, you know, guys. Now we warm. Come here if you charge my phone. But it's so good. Creamy and nice, guys. You can break up your bread and put in there, you know, guys. Let's see how to do it. Something like so. Hi. And it's not too sweet, guys. Super healthy. Strong back porridge designer, guys. Make your knee them get strong. 1, 2, 3 leg. Everything ready. Yes, I make dog stand up on 3 foot. Yes, it's so good. You must want to know how it tastes with the plantain stain, guys. You know, taste nowhere. You know, taste tiny. You know, have no other taste. Tastes just good because it cook. If it is raw now, we have something else to talk about. Pure stain. This is good, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bless up. God is good all the time. Remember to smile, remember to pray. Show a little love. Give a little helping hand along the way. Bye, guys. Remember to create out the pot bottom, alright, guys? I don't get so nice this day.